Good morning, dear Forex traders. This is the latest business news on the InstaTV channel. I'm Olga Vitkovskaya. The Swiss franc is rarely the center of attention. This currency is stable enough as it is strictly controlled by the Swiss National Bank, which often makes bold interventions in the markets. The bank seeks to prevent overboughtness of the national currency that would drag on Swiss exports. However, interest in the franc is rising, and some fundamentals add to it. For example, unemployment rate in Switzerland remains the lowest in Europe. According to the State Secretariat for Economic Affairs, in July the number of unemployed in the country held steady at 2.7%, unchanged from its June reading. Yet there are some negatives in the Swiss economy, such as deflation. In July, the Swiss CPI rose at a slower pace. Inflation slowed by 0.5% on an annual basis and fell to -0.7%, whereas a month earlier it was at -1.1%. The actual reading of the CPI appeared to be better than forecast, of a decline to -0.8%. The news drove the Swiss franc to its one-month high versus the American currency. The dollar-franc pair was traded around 96.6 rappen. Another factor that fueled bearish sentiment on the franc market was investor optimism about ECB bond buying program aimed to cap spiraling bond yields in the troubled countries. This was the most important Forex news presented to you by InstaTV channel. Goodbye.